There is always a saying, age is just a number. But for this tournament of ours, we follow the saying, old is gold, as we are left with 4 more teams looking to clinch our inaugural Sinag Liga Asia Calibre 45. As we are back here inside the SM Events Hall in SM South Mall in the southern part of the Metro Las Piñas. It's the semifinal round of our Calibre 45. Number 2 seeded MC Sports Management against the number 3 seeded Excel, and our main game later, number 1 seeded Tito Rex Firewire JRP Builders. Go analyst from Antipolo himself, the one and only Coach Ernest Alo. Coach, this is it. What?
Finals with you. Bakit? Kasi because of how flexible, how versatile every team is na natitira dito sa semifinals natin.
Good evening, SLA fans, and we're coming to you live inside the amazing SM South Mall, Las Piñas City. Welcome to Sinag Lakas Calibre 45. This is presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia and co-presented by... And card number 9, Art Olivero.
Let's tip it off, and the first possession will go to Exile.
Actually, I'm very happy sa pinapakita ng MC dito sa...
These second stringers are both coming. Rendell De La Rea, the shooter from... Ayan, nanonood ngayon. Eto, kaya kilala natin yan, the one and only Ray Mendoza, part of that Fire Chief Championship squad. And right now, a timeout is called on the floor. MC Sports is still on top by 1-11 out on the floor.
The way na napaka-flexible at napaka-versatile ng players at ng sistema netong Excel. Both brothers ng Requez Brothers talaga nagpapakita agad dito. And yan yung special sa kanila, Coach. Itong Exile, lahat ng second stringers talaga nagpapakita agad dito. And yan yung special sa kanila, Coach. Itong Exile, lahat ng second stringers nila, offensive.
And De Rosario will be called for that foul.
Yeah, so what I was saying, yan yung maganda sa kanila. Sa Exile, lahat ng second to third stringer nila, iba yung pinapakita sa first time. Magugulat ka na lang, Capistrano.
Yes.
Solid guards din talaga tong mga to. Great distributors but can really shoot din talaga.
Now the question will be that third string point guard, di ba?
Tama.
In the tournament,
Right.
doon sila madalas nagkakaproblema. As De Rosario no good, and ball will go back here to Exile.
Yeah, but still, that was great defense coming from MC. Yung staggered script.
Kasi puti.
Puting-puti eh.
Ayun yun yung sugat.
Papagalitan ka ng mama mo niyan eh.
Ayun yung sugat nandun sa may upper. Kasi may ruling. Oo, may ruling. Ito yung ikot ni Regis. Sa ilalim. Yan. So, yung pwestuhan dito sa ilalim, mukhang wala pa yan dyan. Nabula was there. When he got the rebound, saan tumama?
Sa ulo ni Semilia.
Parang hindi. Kasi parang...
Kasi,
diba?
And that was a great 5-out play. Talagang pinalabas nila itong si Coach Dennis Lim. Bakit? Para pag kumat at pumasok sa loob itong si...
And the ball will go out. MC Sports will get the basketball.
Yeah, clear foul. Medyo sayang. Nakakadalawang foul na si Del Rosario dito. He's a very good, big, napakasipag, loves to do the intangibles. So hindi niya afford talagang magkaroon ng madaming fouls dito sa game na to.
Believe that. No, Agleron moves in the pass.
Oh, man.
Nice pass.
Wow.
Oh, that's a lucky break for Exile. Moves in the pass.
Oh, man.
Nice pass.
Wow.
Oh, that's a lucky break for Exile. Yung pasa na yun, way out. Nasambot pa, bitawan pa. Pero titira ng dalawa ito si Del Rosario.
Yan talaga yung maganda dyan kay Del Rosario. Hindi man ganun kalaki yung playing time niya lagi every game. Pero once na mapasok yan, offense, defense, both sides of the floor nagtatrabaho talaga.
First free throw is good for Del Rosario. Second one is also good for Del Rosario. With 1.2 seconds remaining on the clock. Cuevas. Ito, Jokic tamo ba pass, pero tel kagad eh. Sumayas. Let's see. Oh, that good open shot by Jake Agleron. Pero dyan po magtatapos ang ating unang yugto. It's a Nexile good start. Sa MC Sports, medyo nahirap. Del Rosario hitting that three-pointer, starting off in place of Rick. As we take a look at some of our highlights here, boom, La Brusca, 4 points in the quarter, getting those 2 points. And MC Sports on top here, 42-35 at the end of 2 quarters.
Nakikita natin,
Also missing that 0 of 3 shooting from the field. Itong si Raha Mateo.
pero for sure, itong si Raham, nakikita natin, ginaganahan siya pag nakaka-stop siya sa depensa. So let's see kung ano pa yung kailangan mangyari para ganahan na siya dito. Yan na.
At hindi pa po ito fourth quarter.
Yes.
Kasi pang fourth quarter talaga siya. Nice pass by Raha Mateo to Del Rosario.
Yeah, maybe that's the way para magsimula na siya makakontribute dito. Good pass doon.
Get his act going, di ba? Yun yung
Yes.
kailangan niya dito. Find his teammates and then pag nandun na yung depensa, di ba? Depensa sa mga kampi niya, siya naman ang aatake.
Totoo.
Yun lang pagbangga.
Sinalubong ng siko ni
So, let's see.
Anthony Cuevas.
Pero hindi natin makita kasi kung yung pagbangga. 77 Cuevas there. Unsportsmanlike foul. Kasi yung labas nung dito.
Sinalubong niya talaga ng siko.
Sinalubong maliit lang kasi si Kwan. Kaya nga talagang true nationalian daw yan talaga si Coach Jeff. Kasi nag-coach na rin yan ng high school team yun Pass. Jake Agleron. The pass here. Yeses. Del Rosario, the jumper is good. Tabla na naman tayo.
Great.
Yeses. Del Rosario, the jumper is
Wow.
good. Tabla na naman tayo
Great
dito.
shot by Del Rosario. Yan talaga yung maganda sa kanya. So sobrang sipag niya dumepensa, doing the intangibles. Hindi mo may expect Kaya din tumira.
Ito ba talaga pag usapan natin 45 years old, yung free throw area na yun, talagang basic na sa
Automatic
kanila.
na sa lahat.
Ito kay Raha. The pass to Joel. Kaya lang inunahan kasi. Let's take a look at this. The lakas play of the quarter at the Senior J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter. Sina Liga. Look at this. The lakas play of the quarter at the Senior J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter. Sina Liga Asha. Ang favorite spot ng mga 45. Di ba? Richard De La Rosa moves in. De La Rosa, the shot. No good. Rebounded by JP Lieses.
Yeah, medyo minamadali. Nag-adjust na si Coach Ronald dito. Ignacio, 4 na para lumabas siya, para hindi na siya ma-deny. Dapat binibigay na kay Ignacio yung bola.
No good. Jake. Looking for a possible teammate. Kita mo, gumagalaw si Rama. Lieses scores.
Yeah, great distribution.
They have the foul. De La Rosa, 3. No good. Ignacio. That's fouled by Lieses. Joel happy with that. And tinuloy pa rin niya. Tinignan pa rin niya. Judge matawagan na technical and he will be warned. Kumaga warning na yan sa kanya sa side niya for Lieses. Kasi mo PJ Palacielo. Di ba? Yun makukuha mo PJ Palacielo. You have Kenshin Padrones. Dami. Jake Agleron sabi, titira ako dito. But in and out there, pass to Jake. They have to make a quick basket here. Andro, wide open. 3. No good.
That's
and
it.
Capistrano gets the ball. And that will be it. As Exiles win streak of 6. Muli po, Alvin Daniela together with Coach Ernest Alaw and Coach. Another cliffhanger of a game with daming players. Shin De La Cruz finished with 11 points. Richard De La Rosa finished with 12.